Hi, I'm Celso, owner and president of B&B Door Company. Throughout the years, I made the decision that I wanted to stay as a commercial-only door company. That way, we're able to specialize in one particular product. Even though they look the same, they're totally different. The tools that we need to use, the equipment that we need to use to handle the doors is specific to the commercial door industry. And we believe it gives us an advantage in that sense, that we are not sending a residential installer to install a commercial door that needs to be done differently.
So we service and install all types of rolling steel doors, sectional doors, security shutters, dock equipment, entrance doors, glass, metal, sliding automatic doors.